Hi neighbors, welcome back to another video of Cooking with Neighbors. My name is Jerri-ellen and welcome to my channel. It is a pleasure to have you here and I hope that you're all doing well. Today I'm doing another 1950s casserole. Yes, I'm just going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If you've seen last week's video, I said that that I would be doing a bit of a series on this cookbook that was sent to me by my friend and neighbor here, Merle. And on page 122 of this book, it is a vegetable all beef and cheddar bake. So beef and cheddar bake, it looks good. I never had this before. This is a new recipe for me, and I am looking forward to trying it. So it only has very few ingredients. The book has probably 150 recipes in it, I would say, and over 200 pages. Lots of pictures. I think that's what it's going to look like, everyone. We'll see what it looks like, won't we? I'm heating up a skillet here. I'm going to put my ground beef in it. 1 pound of ground beef, to be exact. It's an easy recipe to divide in half if you wanted to make a smaller portion. Wait till you see. It's very easy. I'm going to wash my hands in a second. I'm going to do a bit of bread baking tonight. I'll do a video on it because there is something I want to make to have with the leftovers tomorrow. So I'm going to make the bread tonight and I'll video that so that in case anybody is interested. Salt and pepper, and back in the day, salt and pepper basically was your seasonings. So I'm putting a little bit of salt and pepper in there. You can do it to taste. I'm making it as the recipe says, and you can make it as the recipe says, of course, or you can add or subtract whatever you feel like. Maybe you get some inspiration on something to make if you're stuck on a quick weeknight dinner. Because this is going to be a quick one. It calls for a half a cup of chopped onion, but it's just to be mixed in with everything into the casserole. But I need to cook my onion at least partly or fully, because if not, I'll get heartburn. So that's the one thing I'm doing a little different. I'm going to add my onion. Wash this. So I'm going to cook this and I'll be right back. Oh, neighbors, and if you don't want to turn your oven on and make this a casserole, you can make it just like pretty much the whole thing right here in the skillet, other than the macaroni. I guess you could too if you added extra liquid or something, but if you wanted to follow the recipe and just skip the casserole in the oven part, just put it all in this. Okay, I'm going to transfer it to a bowl right here. Let's absorb some of this grease. My mom used to do this with the paper towel. So that's been around for a while. Okay. 2 cans of mixed vegetables. The recipe says 15 ounces, but these are 14-ounce cans, so 398 milliliters. I drain them and I also rinse them. Okay, now it calls for 2 cups of cooked elbow macaroni. I have a little bit more than 2 cups. I'm going to go with it. I have like 2.5. Okay. And 3 cups of grated cheddar cheese. Oh my goodness, I'm going to pick this up. My oven is preheated. You can taste your beef for seasonings, of course, you know. Now I'm going to put this into a large casserole dish, it says. What else does it say? I think that's it. Yeah. And as you can see, it makes a plenty, just with the 2 cups of elbow macaroni. Definitely feed a family. A nice family weeknight dinner comes together lickety split. And like I say, we're gonna have leftovers tomorrow. And I am making something to go with it. So subscribe, you see, if you're not already subscribed. And don't forget, turn on the notification bell. It doesn't say that you have to cover it or anything, but that's what it looks like before it goes in. Already looks delicious. Just put her on in. I'm just cleaning my mess and looking at, this was the publication, where was it? Publication International Limited. Favorite brand name recipes at www.fenr.com. That's what it says here. If that's still in use. FER.com. I'm going to try it. So the recipes are from the 50s. It was published in 2004. This book. One second. I'm going to check out that website. Doesn't that look delicious? You gotta wait till it gets bubbly and hot and the cheese is all melted. And then you can take it out about, I would say 30-35 minutes. And it's ready and it looks awesome. It tasted really good, neighbors. We really did enjoy this recipe. When I make it again, I think I'll use frozen vegetables and I'll add oregano and other seasonings to the beef. But it is really good. I had a little tasty poo here on camera to show you all the cheesy goodness. And I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I enjoyed hanging out with you all. This is the best part of doing videos, is hanging out with such wonderful neighbors like yourselves. I'm a pretty lucky lady. Thank you again. Peace, love, and God bless.